And Oklahoma doctors leaving tomorrow morning to deliver thousands of doses of antibiotics and medical supplies to Ukraine. News on 6's Grant Stevens spoke with her and joins us with more tonight. Grant?
Greg, doctors in Kyiv reached out to the national nonprofit Global Care Force, saying their supply chain has been cut off and they're running out of important medicines. But this first supply run to help them is only the beginning. Doctors in Kyiv can't wait any longer to get critical medications through war-torn supply lines.
Just because there's a war, car wrecks don't stop happening, heart attacks don't stop happening, babies are still being born. So just the normal healthcare things on top of the absolute devastation they're experiencing.
When those doctors reached out for help, Dr. Deb McCulloch with the Global Care Force couldn't wait either.
So we just decided we're just going to carry it in.
McCulloch will get the supplies to Warsaw, Poland. From there, a network of partners will take the medicine further east into Kyiv. What were they asking for? What sort of things did they need?
Specifically, they were asking for antibiotics. Apparently, their supply chain has been affected, and so they were asking for antibiotics. And they're asking for negative pressure wound therapy, dressing systems.
Dr. McCulloch says those special dressing systems help patients with serious wounds heal faster. The UN estimates thousands of Ukrainian civilians have been wounded in the war. But the 10,000 doses of antibiotics and other supplies McCulloch is bringing will go a long way.
That's who is in my mind, is the patient that's going to receive those doses and the patient that's going to have this wound back and have their wound healed, sooner rather than later with fewer complications and get back home to their family.
Dr. McCulloch says she'll be in Eastern Europe for at least a week as she works to set up a longer-term supply chain. Grant Stevens, Oklahoma's own News on 6.